When installing a vertical cable guide, make sure the labels on the guide correspond with the labels on the tray. Also, the slots should be pointed up. Next, align the tabs of the vertical cable guide with the top of the panel and the slots in between each one of the access trays. Insert the vertical cable guide straight towards the back of the chassis and then push firmly to lock it in place. To remove, grasp the vertical cable guide at the top and with controlled firm pressure pull the vertical cable guide back and remove the guide.